Hi there. My name's Cindy Davis, Content Director of AV Technology, and I'm thrilled to have Rob Davis, no relation, Vice President of Solutions and Services from Sharp Displays with me. Thanks for joining me, Rob.
Hi, Cindy. Appreciate you having me. Good to see you again.
You too. So, I'd like to start off with some fairly recent exciting news. Sharp won a silver for SEN's Best Value Added Service for your Sharp ProAV managed services. Tell us more about that program.
Well, thanks, Cindy. We're really proud of the award. There are a couple of things that award highlights for Sharp. One is our ability to support our customers throughout the life cycle. So whether it comes from installations, whether it comes from calibrations, service, maintenance, or even refresh programs, those managed services that are delivered by Sharp uh, we're really proud of, and we think it's key to our offer. And Sharp's offer is that we are a full end life cycle B2B company. We support businesses with displays that are engineered for quality, engineered for performance, and engineered for longevity. That combination with the focus on those managed services really gives us an advantage in the marketplace.
Absolutely. Is that new for Sharp?
No, that's something that we've been doing for quite a while. It's an offer that has been built over time with experience and with depth of expertise from our teams. And those combinations really deliver for our customers.
Nice. That sounds like a great program. And congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Yes. So, all right, things still happen. How does Sharp respond if displays need to be replaced?
Things do happen. That's one of the things that you learn from being in the service environment. And absolutely, they do. At Sharp, our process is once again focused on the customer. We start with a US based customer support team, and that team is really comprised of experienced individuals with an average tenure of 6.5 years being on the program. We've got 17 fully focused and fully trained employees who are fully committed to delivering the best experience for our customers. Once that team takes the initial call, we either escalate it to technical support or we initiate what we call an advanced replacement. And that replacement allows our partners and customers to get a display right away. We send the display out to them, or they send theirs back to us, and the cycle is completed. If it requires a repair, we have a team out within 48 hours, complete the repair, send the old display back if that's the case, or complete the repair and get the customer back up and running. So that cycle of having US based support that's always available, plus really real time replacement of the displays is something that is focused by the Sharp team and by our customer experience team.
Oh, that's going to make a huge difference. They're not waiting weeks for a display to be replaced.
Absolutely, absolutely. Our teams are focused on speed, and we've had the good fortune of using data and using intelligence to help us improve that speed for turnaround. Our average resolution time for customer complaints is now 18 hours, and
Oh,
we're really proud of that stat.
that's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Great. Alrighty. So, what are some of the key factors that someone should consider when they're looking at overall life cycle of displays that they purchase?
Well, I think there are a number of things. I would say the overall consideration is total cost of ownership. It's not just the price of the display, it's how much power is being used when you're using a display. Sharp displays, as I mentioned, are engineered for longevity, which means engineered for sustainability and delivering the lowest power consumption possible in the market. Secondly, we consider what's the cost of downtime. If you do just decide to buy a display that is lower priced, then what happens if that display needs to be replaced? In the case of Sharp, as I mentioned, we can turn those displays around very quickly. In addition to the cost of the downtime, what's the cost of the repair? All of those things need to be considered across the total life cycle of the business so that it's not just impacting the cost on the front end, but impacting your business across each one of those touch points throughout the life cycle of the display.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Are you able to help your customers, really kind of pinpoint what their needs are and different life cycles, whether it's a entry level versus a higher you know higher performance display?
We are. And Cindy, our sales team is really world class. I've been impressed at the time since I've been here that our customers aren't just selling on price. They're not just selling on what's the offer of the month. They do a consultative sale with our customers and partners to help them identify the features across the Sharp product portfolio to let them know which displays work best for them, which displays fit their environment, fit their needs, and also into their budget as well. So all of those things are considered, not just selling again on price, but selling on needs and the fit that's best for customers and partners.
Yeah, that's a good point because every environment needs something different, probably, right? And then also the budget considerations. So there's a lot of different factors there. So
Sure, that's absolutely true.
great points. So we just wrapped up InfoComm, and what a packed show! Very exciting. So for those who couldn't attend, if you wouldn't mind just recapping some of the key takeaways that you'd like to share.
Sure. Well, first of all, of course, being in Las Vegas, it was very hot. But secondly, it was a hot show for Sharp. There are a couple of things that I really wanted to highlight. One is our partnership with Brightsign. So, Brightsign, one of the leading content management providers in the world, we're partnering with them to deliver Brightsign technology directly to our displays. So, that combination of Brightsign's versatility with the Sharp quality and longevity is really a partnership that we're excited about. So, all of our customers, partners, and prospects, I would encourage you to look at the offerings from Sharp and from Brightsign and see how those fit into your business. The second, uh, the second outcome from the show is something I'm particularly proud of for our team, is that we're announcing a 5-year warranty across the board for all of our products. So, that engineered for performance, engineered for quality, engineered for longevity. We're putting our money where our mouth is and supporting our products with a full 5-year warranty across the portfolio.
And how about the products that everybody was able to see on the show floor?
That's right. That's right. Well, actually, we weren't at the show floor. We were at, our
Right.
own
Floor.
venue outside of
Yeah,
Sharp, excuse me, outside of Infocom. And that was really dynamic, gave us a chance to engage directly with our customers, sort of on our own turf. And that was a really meaningful aspect of the show. So I think it got us closer to our customers, had more of a chance to listen and to learn, and that was also a really great outcome from the show.
sure, absolutely. Well, great to see you again. And next time I'll probably not quite so hot. And lovely chatting with you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Cindy. It's great. Have
Oh,
a good one.
before we leave, how does somebody get in touch with Sharp?
Uh, Go to sharpusa.com. That's the best way to get in touch with us. You can also reach out to us on LinkedIn. Our social media platforms are full of content and visibility to our products and services. And I'd recommend that would be the best way to reach out to us, sharpusa.com.
Great. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.